In this example, we're trying to find the equation of a line. Let's have a look at some of the key points of the question. Clearly our end task is to find the equation of a line. It goes through the point 1, 5 and it has a gradient of 3. So those last two facts will be important to help us find the equation of a line. Now when you're asked a question, in this case to find the equation of a line, we need to look at the basic form. And the basic form is y equals mx plus c, where x and y represent any point on the line, m is the gradient of the line, and c is the y-intercept. It's always a good idea to draw a rough sketch of what you're trying to find, and here's our sketch where we've got the point 1, 5 and the line is moving in a positive direction as far as the gradient is concerned. So it's a little hard to depict a gradient of 3, but we'll use this as a rough idea. Let's use our sketch to find the equation of the line informally. Now we know the gradient's 3. That means that if we go left 1 unit horizontally, the graph will go down 3 units because that's what a gradient of 3 actually means. So doing that, if our initial point is the point 1, 5, the line cuts the y-axis at 0, 2. We've gone down 3 units from 5. So our y-intercept is 2. We've got a gradient of 3, and that means our equation of the line is y equals 3x plus 2. Now it's not always convenient to do that, so we need to go through an algebraic process. We'll start with our line y equals mx plus c. We know our gradient's 3, so we'll substitute into that equation immediately where the m is. And we now need to find out what c is, and we do that by substituting in a point. Remember that the point 1, 5 represents an x value and a y value. So we'll substitute that in. We'll put 5 where the y is and 1 where the x is, and 3x together means 3 multiplied by x. So our next line will read 5 equals 3 plus c. This will help us find the y-intercept c. So to find c, we subtract 3 from both sides, and we end up with c equaling 2. So our y-intercept is 2. So that means our overall equation becomes y equals 3x plus 2. In other words, put a 2 where the c was. So there's the equation of our line. We've got our gradient and y-intercept, and now x and y represent any point on the line.